You've set up your React application with Kind authentication. You can sign in fine, but the issue is when you click refresh, it seems that you're logged out and you have to sign in again to get back into this logged in state. Now, the reason why this is happening is because we are storing the authentication data in memory. So the reason why we do it in memory is because the other methods are susceptible to cross-site scripting and CSRF. So we do it for security reasons. But there is a way to have the login session persist even after you refresh. And in short, you have to use custom domains. So let me show you how to do that. So the first thing that you're going to have to do is head over to Kind, go under settings, custom domains, and inside here, you can set up your custom domain with your DNS provider. Once that's all verified and good to go, we have to then change where we're redirecting to. So if you have a look at my deployed React application on kind.reactstarter.vercel.app, when I click sign in, notice that it goes to peter.kind.com, which is not that custom domain that we've set up. So if you have a look over here, I've set up the custom domain auth.petervandervong.xyz. So we want to redirect to that URL, to that domain. So how do we do that? If you go to your deployment on Vercel, all you have to do is go to the settings, environment variables, and check out the Vite Kind domain. So you can see that that's peter.kind.com. That's where we're redirecting to for authentication. So let's edit this and replace it with our new custom domain, auth.petervandervong.xyz. Give that a save. Nice. Now for that to take effect, we're going to have to redeploy. Go to deployments, our most recent one, redeploy, and that will update the environment variables. So now we can redirect to our custom domain. The other thing that you have to do is also host your app on that base domain. So even though we're redirecting to auth.petervandervong.xyz, we also need to host our app on petervandervong.xyz like this. So in order to do that, back to Vercel, click on your project, settings, domains, and I've set up petervandervong.xyz. Note it's different to auth.petervandervong.xyz. It's actually here www.petervandervong.xyz. So just do that, set it up with your DNS provider, and what that will allow you to do is host your app on petervandervong.xyz. So let me show you what happens if you don't do that. So if you are back on this app, I click sign in. You can see now it's redirecting to auth.petervandervong.xyz. So that's good. We'll sign in. It'll take us back to our app, but if I refresh here, it's signing me out. However, if I'm going from my proper custom domain, I'll click sign in. I click refresh here, it's persisting. So that's pretty much how you can get your React app to persist the state. It's setting up your custom domain on Kind, and then also deploying your app onto that custom domain. So hopefully that made sense. Hopefully that was useful. I'll catch you in the next one.